Hey, how you doing? I'm Chef Scottie Johnson of Blessed and Holly Favorite Cuisine. I'm a private chef right here in Warner Robins, Georgia. And today we're just gonna do a quick pizza, kid-friendly pizza for a snack, dinner, lunch, whatever it is. Also for adult. But today we're doing a vegetarian pizza. First, of course, you have just your basic pizza dough. This is a thin crust, ultra thin, multi-grain crust. Okay, we're gonna keep it completely healthy. We have a pesto sauce for you right here. That's gonna go down. You can use any type of tomato sauce you want. This is a pesto sauce, pesto romano sauce. And we got, mozzarella cheese. Of course, you can use whatever type of cheese you want, but we're using mozzarella cheese. We got some spinach right here. We got some bell peppers, yellow, green, and red. And we have some diced onions, okay? Also, we have a little bit of olive oil to spread over our pizza, our crust. Actually, use whatever crust you want. We're using a thin crust right here today. Keep it simple. Like I said, a healthy pizza for a snack for kids or for adults, whichever you may want to do. So, oven's already been preheated, 425. Basically, a package what you get your pizza. You can make your own dough as well, but for this right here, what we have in the house, we had the pizza dough instructions on the bag. Preheat oven to 425 has already been preheated. So first thing we want to do, we're just going to take an olive oil and just put it on the bread. Just a little light olive oil on the crust. Okay, just a little light olive oil on your crust. All right. Next, like I said, we're gonna go down with the pesto, the pesto sauce, romano sauce. Just gonna take that around, smooth it out a little bit. Like I said, you can use whatever sauce that you prefer, regular pizza sauce, tomato sauce. This is the romano pesto, has a little bit more robusto flavor inside of it. Okay, so we got that right there. All right, and next go down with a little cheese. But I want to go down with some, put some little spinach down. Put some spinach down next. Okay, like I say, you use spinach. You can use kale, or whatever type of green you want. Okay, but we're using a little spinach, mozzarella cheese. All right, like I said, this is a vegetarian type of pizza, really healthy for you. Okay, use as much cheese you like. I like a lot of cheese on mine. Okay, so we put that down. All right, next, I got my diced green, red, and yellow bell peppers. Okay, that's just gonna go down on there. All right. All right, be good, nice, but vegetarian. Let's say if you're not, you want to add some pepperoni to it, some Italian sausage. You can do that as well. Okay. And next, going to finish it with some diced onions. Okay. With your onion pepper, if you want to use red onions, that's fine. Use that as well. Okay. But like I said, quick, nice. Healthy pizza for you. It's real quick, easy. And then if you got more cheese left, you can always top it off with more cheese. Nothing like you can't have enough cheese. All right, you can't have enough cheese. So we put all the rest of that down there. Okay. And like I said, this is a nice healthy pizza for you. Okay, a vegetarian pizza. So of course we have we got the bread, the pizza crust, with olive oil on top. We got our sauce down. I use a pesto romano sauce with cheese, spinach, and my vegetables and everything. This can go in the oven. We're gonna throw it in the oven for about between 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so got our pan right here. We take this and we're just gonna put it, and we'll put it in the oven and let it cook. Okay, get this out of the way. And I've already prepared one as well, because that has to cook in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I did one, and like as you can see, they're nice and it's thin crust. So you can use a thick crust if you want, but it's a nice thin crust. But there you have it. You have a nice kid friendly for a snack. Of course, this is kind of small, be for a snack or whatever you want it to be, but just your vegetarian pizza with thin crust. Simple meal, healthy meal for you, and like I say, just so your everyday snack for your kids. Simple to do. It's just a matter of cutting on your oven and cooking it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So again, Chef Scottie, Blessed and Highly Flavored Cuisine, private chef service right here in Warner Robin, Georgia. Just want to let you give you a good recipe for a quick snack for vegetarian pizza. So again, we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in and joining me, Chef Scottie, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.